All right, we're starting off with our mini Nilla wafers in our 13 by 9 pan. Perfect. Next, I'm coming in with 3 bananas that I just sliced, and we're gonna throw those slices right on top of our Nilla wafers. Now, this is a twist on a classic. I'm gonna make it more holiday for you guys. So just follow along for the most delicious, easy, no-bake holiday recipe. Let's get these bananas in here so we can get this party started. Now that we have our bananas in there, I'm gonna grab my Christmas tree cakes, my Little Debbie's. I had a few of these left over, and you know, Christmas is around the corner, so I gotta use them up. And we're gonna take our Little Debbie's and we're just gonna kind of break them apart and throw little pieces of Little Debbie right into our dish. This is gonna be such a fun surprise when kids dig in and they get a piece of that delicious Little Debbie cake. It also adds a great little punch of color inside of our delicious no-bake recipe. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these cakes. So we're gonna get a good amount of them inside our dish. I think 3 actually will be perfect. I'll eat that 4th one just for myself.
There you go. I didn't even know there was cream inside Little Debbie.
Oh yeah, Little Debbie's are amazing. I've made so many recipes with them. How did you not know that?
Well, I just chew them and taste them.
Okay, that looks perfect. All right, let's put this to the side and bring in a bowl and a whisk. And inside our bowl, we're gonna add our banana cream pudding. I could only find the family size, but you don't need the family size. So we're only gonna use about 3 ounces of our box. Perfect. And then of course, we're just gonna make this the traditional way. We're gonna grab our cold milk and we're gonna add 2 cups of our milk right into there. I'm gonna eyeball it because I eyeball everything. That looks like 2 cups, right, babe?
Yeah, you eyeballed our marriage too.
All right, and we're gonna whisk this together until that dry mixture becomes wet. And then this delicious pudding, you know it, it's gonna go right on top of that 13 by 9. Oh, that came together so quickly. It smells amazing, looks amazing. This is ready. I love how fast and easy this dessert is. You can make it the night before, you know, Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, and everyone will love it. We're just getting that right over. It's gonna add so much great moisture in there. Doesn't that look incredible?
Oh, smells delicious. I love bananas.
Perfect. All right, and you guys know it. We got some Cool Whip coming up next. And we're just gonna cover up this entire dish with Cool Whip. You can make homemade whipped cream. It's super easy. All you need is heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. But I wanted this to be super easy and quick so that you guys can just throw it together before Christmas and have such a delicious dessert. So let's go ahead. I think we're gonna use about half of this large container and get a nice fluffy layer on top of all that deliciousness. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I know it's not the most beautiful dessert yet, but we're gonna grab our sprinkles, our Christmas sprinkles, and we're just gonna add a nice little Christmas decoration on top. This is obviously optional. If you don't want sprinkles on yours, you can skip it. But I just love sprinkles on all my desserts. It just makes everything more fun and festive. Okay, once we get those sprinkles on there, I have one more thing I'm gonna add because we need a nice crunch factor for this dessert, and that's gonna be our walnuts. Bananas and walnuts just go so beautifully together. So we're just gonna do a light sprinkle right on top. Nothing crazy, just more deliciousness. Okay, all right, now this is ready for the fridge. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about 3 hours and then it's gonna be ready to enjoy. All right, you guys, the moment is here. It is time to try our Christmas banana cream dessert. Oh yeah, that looks so good. It's covered in Cool Whip, but that's the best part. Woo. That pudding thickened up. Those vanilla wafers are all soft and delicious, just how we want them. It is time to give this a try.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. That is so good. The Little Debbie is just like an extra little surprise. You guys gotta try this.